Today I'm going to show how to download Windows 7 on your PC desktop or laptop. The first thing you'll need to do is have your PC off and boot it up to the boot screen. Here are all the PC model names to boot up to that screen. Pause the video and take a picture of this paper. Since my computer is an HP model, I'll have to press F10. Now all you have to do is turn on the computer and keep on pressing the F10 until the blue screen pops up. With your arrow keys, select your language, then press enter. Now from here, you can insert your Windows 7 installation disk. This disk only costs $5 on eBay. It's very affordable for that price, plus with free shipping. Once you insert the disk to your CD drive, go to storage. Go all the way down to boot order. And from here, you want to make sure that your CD-ROM drive is on top of the list. If for any reason it is not, for an example if it's at the bottom, select your CD-ROM by pressing enter. Then drag it to the top and press enter again to drop. Now just press F10 to accept it. Go back to file. Now go all the way down to save changes and exit. This will make sure that your Windows 7 installation disk will be booted up first. Now on this screen, just press any key to boot up the disk. Windows 7 will be starting from here. Select next. Install now. Setup is starting. From here, select your Windows 7 COA product key like I have it right here. On top, it says Windows 7 Pro with my 25-digit product key right below it. Keep in mind, if you have this Windows 7 product key sticker, you only need to buy the $5 installation disk. If you don't have it, you can easily buy one online for around $10. Keep in mind, if you don't want to buy a COA sticker, you can still use any of the Windows 7 versions, but it will show a watermark on the bottom right corner of your computer screen. But regardless, you'll still be able to use the Windows 7 platform for free. Now, if you do have a CO sticker, select your Windows 7 version, which for me, it was Windows 7 Professional. I will choose it with the x86. Select I accept. Next. Click on Custom Advanced. Now this is the hard drive I'm installing Windows 7 to. Total size of 150 gigabytes. Click on Next. If your hard drive has not been formatted, this message will pop up, basically telling you that all the current info in your hard drive will be stored on a folder named windows.old. Now just click on OK. From here, it's installing Windows 7. Your PC will randomly restart once or twice or maybe more. The whole process should take around 15 to 30 minutes. After waiting, the Windows 7 animation should start up right about now. This will pop up as well. Set up checking the video performance. Now from here, type in your username. Click next. Type in a password or just leave it blank. Now click next. Enter your product key, or you can also skip. Choose Use recommended settings. Select your time and date. Now Windows 7 will be starting up by now. Give it some time to set up your desktop. Now you have officially installed Windows 7 on your computer. Once installed, you'll have to update your Windows 7 drivers. As you can see here on the bottom, my internet and sound driver are not installed, as well as other drivers that need to be installed as well. The same CD that costs $5 online will include a bonus driver DVD, so you'll basically receive two discs, the driver DVD and the Windows 7 installation disc as well. The two discs should look like this or maybe different. Now just remove your Windows 7 installation disc and insert the driver's disc into your computer. If this box does not pop up, you can go to computer. Then you can double click on the DVD/CD drive. From here, choose Start Auto Drives. And these are all the drives that need to be installed. On the left, choose Select All and Install. This should take around 15 minutes or so. Once all the drivers has been installed, restart your computer to take effect. Once your PC is connected with the internet, to make sure that your product key is confirmed, right click on computer, choose properties. On the bottom, choose change product key. Make sure that the Windows 7 Professional product key matches with your computer's model. If your computer's first main operating system was with Windows Vista, then the product key would not be valid for your computer. Make sure if you have a Windows 7 product key that the computer has been previously worked with that specific operating system. But even though my computer is from Vista, I can still use the Windows 7 platform. I'll just have a watermark on the corner of my screen. Well guys, I hope this video worked out for you like it did for me. And if it did, make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.